This 2011 Four Winds International Serrano 31 volts is a Class A RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Four Winds International is 32 feet 10 inches in length and features sleep 6, leveling jacks, water heater, skylight, smoke detector, microwave, auxiliary battery, awning, air conditioning, refrigerator, carbon monoxide detector, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2011 Four Winds International Serrano 31 volts is built on a Workhorse chassis and is powered by a MaxxForce engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.